First tonight, a Mobile County grand jury indicted a fired Mobile police officer and his wife on charges related to a deadly crash involving their son.
Our Brendan Kirby has been following this story, and Brendan, walk us through this.
Cameron and Lanice, the accusations are identical to the ones that cost the officer his job earlier this year. Now the stakes are higher. Gary Rogers and his wife Courtney Rogers now facing 1 count each of tampering with physical evidence. It's related to a fatal traffic accident involving their son, Dawson Rogers. That wreck in November claimed the life of University of South Alabama student Nolan McDavid on Lott Road in Wilmer. The Mobile Police Department determined that Rogers, who was off duty at the time, improperly removed a pullover fleece jacket from his son's car after the wreck and then misled investigators about what he did. The department fired the decorated 21-year veteran, who rose to the rank of sergeant. And then the Mobile County Personnel Board upheld the firing. The indictment references that same jacket. Mobile County District Attorney Keith Blackwood says law enforcement officers must be held to a higher standard.
To me, it's important that we prosecute all violations of the law, but especially when you have someone that is in a position of public trust that has allegedly violated the law. It's very important that all of these be taken seriously.
Dawson Rogers faces a reckless murder charge, but a judge granted his request for youthful offender status, which means his records are sealed. A lawyer for Gary and Courtney Rogers, Gordon Armstrong, tells me no new information has emerged in the last 11 months that would justify criminal charges. They are devastated at this turn of events, he says, but they will fight it. DA Blackwood says it isn't always possible to make quick arrests.
There were suspected facts that were known for a long time. However, the state has the burden of proof in this case, and so we have to ensure that we have evidence that we can present to meet our burden. That took time in this case.
The charge is a misdemeanor punishable by a maximum of 1 year in jail. An arraignment date hasn't yet been set. Meanwhile, Courtney Rogers has 2 pending misdemeanor harassing communications charges related to witnesses in the car wreck case. A trial on those is set for next month. Reporting live in the News Center, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.